Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how you can turn on image previews on Slack. Maybe you want to turn on the show previews on Slack but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can do it. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Slack application and log in with your Slack account. From here, tap on this view button at the lower right corner of your screen. Once you are in this page, tap on this preferences. From here, you need to scroll down and under the advanced option, you'll see here show image previews. Show previews of images and files. To turn this on, simply toggle this button. There you go! If you wanted to know on how you can turn on show image previews on Slack, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can turn on image previews on Slack, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.